welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video, I'm going to share with all of you a few background ideas that you can use for your YouTube videos. There are so many that you can choose from, but ultimately you want to get a background idea that reflects you, your style, and what you have to offer. And I'm just going to share a few today that could actually get your ideas flowing for some inspiration, and hopefully you like one of these, because I know it's a struggle for a lot of people to figure out what your background is going to be. If you're new to this channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more videos similar to this, and follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adam, because when I'm not here uploading on YouTube, I'm over on Instagram. And yeah, so if you're interested, stay tuned and let's begin. First one that we all know that you can use for your background is a wall. Now, use any single wall in your room regardless of what color it is. Just make sure it's a color that reflects you, your brand, and your style for YouTube videos. And so affordable and easy, and everyone has a wall in their house. If you don't have any free walls in your house, like there's always just something on your wall or there's something blocking the wall, move it out the way temporarily just for the YouTube video. And then once you're done the YouTube video, just move the item back into the place so you don't get in trouble by your parents. So that's an option. And then you can always spice up your plain walls with adding pictures, anything. The next thing that you can use for your YouTube videos is backdrop paper. Now, we've seen backdrop paper also a lot around YouTube. It's an easy way that you can always have a standardized YouTube background. You can always change up the color, the texture of your backdrop. So if you want to have just solid paper, backdrop paper, or you can use fabric material behind you. Now, if you're interested in knowing how to achieve a blurry background, I have a full video on that. I'm going to link that video so you all can watch that as well. Definitely will help you improve how your backdrops look against you. Definitely a must-watch video. So go watch that. Okay, so the next one are lights. I think when I first started really watching YouTube in the beauty community, because I've been watching YouTube my whole life, to be honest. Once I started watching YouTube in the beauty community a few years ago, lights in the background was something that you saw a lot. So you can try put lights in the background, whether it's LED lights, it's a candle, or it's lights like Christmas lighting, like those white lights in the background. You can hang those up in a stylish way. I feel like doing that definitely separates you from your backdrop, because it's just you right there, and then behind you it's the lighting. So it's like a type of ambient lighting where it can give a little pop to your YouTube videos. And so you can go ahead and go in with lights, or you can go in with candles, or you can go in with LED strip lights. So that's an idea that you can think about using for your YouTube videos. Okay, another easy and free one is your house. So that's more of a lifestyle type of background for your YouTube videos. So that's where you see people in their living room sitting down and talking, in front of their office sitting down and talking. Find the nicest part in your house that you like. So you can think about just using your house. You want to use a nice clean section in your house just for your YouTube videos. So affordable and so pretty. And I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, I could never do a lifestyle section. I just don't have a nice house to do it. My house is too cluttered, blah blah blah. Listen, you do not need a nice house, like a big huge nice house, to have a small little section in your video to look so pretty for a lifestyle video. Literally, here's a trick that you can use for that. So when it comes to videos, okay, all that is showing on the video is this little amount. This is what's showing in your video. That's all. It's not a whole entire house you're showing in your video. It's a small little square rectangle. That's all you need in your video just to make your background look good. So what I'm trying to say is you don't need a big huge fancy house to have a nice background that will fit the frame of your video. So find a corner in your house that you really like. Either the walls are nice, the lighting is great there, whatever. What you're gonna wanna do is just move furniture into that little section just for a YouTube video. So go and get a nice table that you see in your house, get it, move it to the back of your video. Get a nice flowers that you see in a different part of your house, grab that flowers and put it on the table. Go to a different part of the house, you like this chair, grab that chair and put it in your video. And all you need to do is fit the frame of the screen. You don't need a big huge house. And that's what it is. You're creating a background just to fit you. And then once you're done with using all the stuff for your YouTube videos, you want to go put it back in the part of your house that it came from, and that's all. You can definitely keep on doing that for your YouTube videos. I see people do lifestyle videos all the time. That's probably the most common background. The last backdrop idea that I have is going outside, and I would recommend going outside when the weather's super nice, warm, beautiful, you have great shade, everything. Now, if you're doing a talking video, I wouldn't really recommend going outside, because sometimes when you're talking and the wind's blowing, it'll just mess up the audio on your videos. That's the thing that does happen sometimes. So you want to maybe record in a place where there isn't a lot of wind, or the wind's not blowing all the time. But if wind is blowing all the time, I usually go outside for voiceovers, okay? So I'll make the video outside with a nice natural background, and I'll do it for a voiceover video. So if I'm showing you all how I pack my suitcases, and all I'm just showing you are B-roll clips of me putting things in my bag and taking them out and showing them to the screen, that's all you would need to do. And then I would go inside and then do my voiceover, and then I'll still have the nice free beautiful natural backdrop for my video, and then I can still have nice looking YouTube videos. I definitely recommend people trying that. All these backgrounds are simple, easy, and free. You can use for your YouTube videos. So that's it for today's video. Which backdrop is your favorite? Thumbs up this video if you saw a background that you really liked or that you thought was inspirational to you. And that's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.